Well, I just want to take you on a quick guide on what I meant by using Google Earth and AutoCAD. So right here in front of me, I use Google Earth to get this image of this road they call Ikorokoro Road in our back local government in Akwa Ibom State. So we were given a small project on how to to design the road, give a sketch of that road, and how we are going to plant street lights on the road. So after using the app Google Earth, I was able to to get this image right into AutoCAD. And some of the commands I use here was the align commands. I got the coordinates from Google Earth, the northern and the eastern, and I was able to import those coordinates to take to scale this image. And some of the other tools I use here is the I use the arc to pick all the lines here so that it could match accordingly. For example, I want to use the 3-point arc here, and I want to draw a straight a curve of this road. What I'll do, I'll pick a point like a 3 point here, then I'm going to drag it to take the curve of this road to this direction. So I do the same for all of the other points right here. So you can see from here that you don't need many more stress to work all this. So if you want to learn this software, if you want to learn Google Earth, if you want to learn AutoCAD, and if you also want to learn Microsoft Excel is used when you want to pick all the contours. You want to include several regions here. You can use Excel to import those coordinates. So if you want to learn all these things, I am available. So you can contact me, and I get in touch with you to see how you go about it.